Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are well and hearty. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English second paper class for the students of class 6 on the topic of tense. I am repeating, today our topic is tense and we'll practice some exercise based on tense. And this is our fourth lecture and third homework. I'm repeating, this is our fourth lecture and third homework. Students, as you have learned in your earlier classes about present tense, past tense, future tense and their kinds, today it's time to practice some based on these tenses. So please take your notebook and writing elements. We are going to practice. So let's begin. Students, the question is change the sentences into correct tense. So here some sentences are given and in bracket the tense name of the tense is given. You have to change the sentence into the given tense. So our first sentence is Johnny visits the zoo. So this is in present simple tense or present indefinite tense, and you have to change this sentence into present perfect tense. So I hope you can understand what you have to do. The given sentence, you have to change the given sentence into present perfect tense. And do you know the structure of present perfect tense? Yes, I hope you know the structure. The structure of present perfect tense is subject plus have or has plus past participle form of the verb plus object plus extra. So according to our structure, I'm going to write the sentence. First, subject is given Johnny. So we have to write Johnny. According to structure, first you have to write the subject, then verb. So for present perfect tense, we have to use have or has. Here Johnny is third person singular number, so we have to use has. We can't use have. So we use has. Johnny has. Now we have to use the past participle form of the verb. Here the verb is visit and the past participle form of this verb is visited. V-I-S-I-T-E-D. Visited. Then object. The zoo. The zoo. So the sentence will be Johnny has visited the zoo. This is present perfect tense. Now question number 2. I was going to hospital. Students, I was going to hospital. Can you guess in which tense this is? Yes, this is past continuous tense. Was going. Here we find the sign of past continuous tense, and you have to change this sentence into future simple tense or future indefinite tense. So do you know the structure of future simple tense? This is very simple. First subject, then shall or will, then base form of the verb, then object plus extra. So change the sentence with me. First we have to use subject. I. Here subject is I. In the given sentence the subject is I. So we write here I. Then for future tense we have to use shall or will. So I was going to hospital. Here you have to write shall. I shall. From shall will we are going to use shall. I shall, and after shall we have to use the base form of the verb. Here verb is go. So go, going. So here ing form will be in base form. Going will be go here. I shall go, then the rest of the sentence to hospital. I shall go to hospital. I was going to hospital. In future simple tense, it will be I shall go to hospital. And number 3, she has taken my book. And this is in present perfect tense, and we have to change the sentence into present continuous tense. The structure of present continuous tense is subject plus am, is, are. Then we have to use ing with the verb, then object plus extra. So first we are going to write the subject. Here subject is she. So we have to write the subject she. Then present continuous tense. For present continuous tense we have to choose the verb am, is, are. So can you guess which one will be perfect here with the subject she? Yes, she is. We have to write is here. She is. Now we have to use ing with the verb. Verb is taken. This is past participle form of the verb take. And if the base form is take, I am writing here take. So we can't write the base form, we have to write the ing form for the present continuous tense, and we have to write taking, T-A-K-I-N-G. She is taking, then rest of the sentence, my book. She is taking my book. This is present continuous tense. Now come to number 4. Rohan will be waiting for you. So, can you guess in which form the sentence is or which tense it belongs to? Yes, this is present future continuous tense. Will be waiting. So, this future continuous will be past perfect continuous. So, can you remember the structure of past perfect continuous tense? The structure of past perfect continuous tense is subject plus, yes, can you guess only one verb? Yes, it will be had been. Subject plus had been, then verb plus ing, then object plus extra. So I am writing here the subject is Rohan. The same subject for past perfect continuous tense. Rohan, then past perfect continuous tense we have to write had. Rohan had been, then verb with ing. This waiting will be waiting here, no change. Rohan had been waiting for you. The rest of the sentence. So when we write Rohan had been waiting for you, this is past perfect continuous tense. Had been plus verb with ing. Now last, number 5, they are coming to my house. This is in present continuous tense, and we have to change the sentence into past simple tense or past indefinite tense. So we all know the structure of past simple tense. The structure is subject plus verb, and the verb will be in past form, and then object plus extra. So first we are writing the subject they. So they, it is, we know, pronoun and subject as given, and here are coming. We have to make it past tense. So for past tense we have to use the past form of the verb. So we can't use are, we have to take the verb come. So past form of the verb come is came, C-A-M-E, came. They came, then rest of the sentence, to my house. They came to my house. This is simple past tense or past indefinite tense. Students, I hope you can understand how you have to change the sentences into the given tense. So if you have any problem, you can ask your teacher in the time of your live class. Now I am providing the topic of your homework. Students, look, here I have written some sentences, and in bracket I have written the name of the tense. You have to change the sentences into those tenses. So the first given question or sentence is, I am going to buy some sweets. You have to change the sentence into past perfect tense. So number 2 is she will write a letter. This is in future indefinite tense or future simple tense, and you have to change the sentence to present simple tense. The 3 number is you made a phone call, and this sentence will be changed to future simple tense. Number 4, Neela was waiting for you, and this sentence you have to change to past perfect continuous tense. Number 5, we return home together, and this sentence you have to change to present continuous tense. And last, they have visited the place. You have to change this given sentence to future perfect tense. Students, you have to write the only answer. No need to write the question, you will write only changed sentence. And here I have given 6 sentences. You have to write 6 changed sentence that I have mentioned in bracket. And please do it with remembering the structures that you have learned in earlier classes. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number at the top of the corner of your copy. A lecture number is 4 and homework number is 3. Students, hope you have understood today's topic. You have to do your homework and have to submit the homework copies on every Saturday at school. Guardians or anyone else can come to school and can submit your homework copies, and you will get returned the copies on next Saturday. Students, again I'm requesting, if you have any problem to solve this homework, please you can contact me through my mobile phone and you can knock me in Messenger. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.